Hello everyone, I have created this simple recursive function which will give you or which will return the factorial in Python. Simply see, I have defined the factorial n and I have made some checks. If n is 0, then it will return 1. If n is not integer type, then it will show you enter integer or something, whatever. But the fact is, this last one you have to see at this point. It is recursion here because the function fact n calls itself, but I have returned here fact n minus 1. So if you want to learn a recursion or something, you will learn it from YouTube or somewhere else. I am not into that topic. I am showing you if you try to use this recursion in Python versus if you try to use this recursion same thing in Matlab. You already know, or if you don't know, go ahead and try the recursive function in Matlab. The code will be a little bit different, not that different. Here instead of def there will be name function, and there will be something I will show you there how you can write this in Matlab. If you type this thing, obviously this will not work here, but in Matlab you can write this function x is equal to fact of n. So this is not a big deal, and then you can do this, and instead of if you can use else if, and instead of print you can use fprintf, and instead of return you will use, instead of return what you will use, let me show you. You will use if n equal to 0. It's simple, not a big difference. N equal to 0, and then what you will write, you will write instead of return you will see this x at this point, this x has to be returned here. You return this way in Matlab, x is equal to 1. Instead of writing return 1, you have to write x is equal to 1, the x which you have written here. So it's not big deal, and similarly you can write all this and translate into Matlab. I'm not into that right now. Let me cancel this thing. So we know that you cannot, if you create a recursive function above 170, if you enter 170 in that factorial function, you can get the value. But if you enter 171, it will show you the result will be shown as infinity in Matlab. But in Python, see how powerful Python is. If you let me try 170 first. So in Matlab there is limit 170, but in Python you will see the limit. I will try 170. See, it gives me the result, exactly all the digits. In Matlab it will show you something some 7.2, it will show something 7.2 into 10 power something, that is different, but it shows in Python shows exactly the digits. And let me try 171 here and run it. You see it returns the result for 171 as well, but in Matlab it will show you infinity. Forget about 171, let me try 200. Oh, it shows the result for 200 as well, but Matlab shows only for 170. You can check it. Let me try 250. I wanna see the power. Oh, I'm surprised that it shows result for 250 and gives all the digits. Wow. Oh, I think Python is more powerful. Let me try 500. It should give me the error because 500 is a very large number, factorial of that. Oh my god, it gives me the results again. So there is, I think it's very powerful. Then Matlab, it's recursion, that's why you should learn instead of using softwares. I don't discourage you to learn Matlab. You should learn Matlab because it has already a lot of packages and everything else, and you can do much more with the Matlab than with Python, and easily. But I'm just showing here the power, how much powerful this Python is. It will show you. Let me try 1000. I don't know the limit, I haven't tried it, but I have tried in Matlab is 170 only. I'm trying to start the software in my computer. Matlab software is huge, it is not starting, so it is this Python is only I think few hundred MBs or something, and Matlab is 20-30 GB because of its packages and something else. Forget that. Let me check about 1000. It should give me the error because factorial 1000 is very huge. No. Oh my god, you see how big this number is. It is just one number. I can't even read these digits. How many digits has it returned? I don't know the limit. Let me try 1500. Now it should give me the error. If you check Matlab, you will see only 170, factorial 170, and after that it will give you it will show infinity. Let me try. Oh my god, factorial 1500, 1500. When will give me, let us see, 2000. Can't be that powerful. No, 2000 as well. It is recursion, bro. It should give error at some point, or it should I mean this thing should go out of memory. Let me try 2500. That will be very huge number. No, it's not going out of memory. Let me try 2800. No. When it will go? Let me try 3000. OMG. Now I think it has gone out of memory. No, it won't show anything. It is hanged. No. So we tried 2800 and see factorial 3000 cannot be, it shows dead kernel because it went out of memory. So let me see the limit. I think 2900 should be tried again. 2900, and let me see if it can do. No, 2900. I think 2800 we tried it, so you might think that something 2800 or something. Maybe it is a problem with my computer. Maybe your computer is more powerful than it, but I'm sure no matter what computer you are running in the Matlab, it will show you infinity beyond 170. So if you try 171 in Matlab, it will show error. That is the power of